In the previous video I showed you how to create a system image. In this video I show you how to restore your PC from the system image. If you want to see the previous video, you can find it in the info cards or in the video description below. If you have a system image and you want to restore your Windows, then there are two scenarios. In the first scenario, you can start Windows, and in the second scenario, Windows does not start. Now I will show you how to restore your system in both cases. If Windows still starting, make sure that the hard drive with the system image is connected to your computer. Then type backup in the search box below. Choose backup settings. Then recovery and select restart now. After the restart, select troubleshoot. Then advanced options. See more recovery option and system image recovery. The PC will now restart again. Then select your username. Enter your password and go on next. The last system image will now be found automatically. Go on next and next. Now start the system restore. Note that when you confirm, all existing data will be overwritten with a system image to restore the previous state. For this reason, make sure that you have backed up all important data previously. After the start, let the process run through to the end, because an abort can lead to errors. The duration of the process depends on the amount of data. After a while, the process is complete and you can log in normally again. Now the second scenario. If Windows does not start anymore, then you need a repair disk or a Windows installation DVD or a bootable Windows USB flash drive. In a previous video, I showed how you can create a bootable USB flash drive and how you boot from it. You can find the link to this video in the info cards or in the video description below. Make sure that the hard drive with the system image is connected to your computer. Now this is what it looks like if you boot via one of the three methods. In my case, I use an USB flash drive from my video. If you already booted, then go to next, then to repair your computer, then to troubleshoot and select system image recovery. Now it's like the first scenario again. You can start your system restore. I'm happy if that was useful for you. Then see you next time. Bye.